Hi friends! The technicians at this appliance repair shop, who have years of experience fixing equipment like this, shared these tips with us. So don't worry, we're going to get it working again. If your treadmill shows the E5 code, the first thing is not to stress too much. This error is usually related to the motor or speed sensor, and the good news is that in many cases it can be fixed without spending a lot of money. At our shop, we've helped several customers with this error, and we also researched forums and other customer experiences to give you the most practical information. When customers arrive, many say, "I was running and suddenly E5 appeared and the belt stopped immediately." Others mention that the display stays on, but the machine doesn't respond when they try to accelerate, which indicates that the issue is in the communication between the control board and the motor or the speed sensor. That's why the first thing we check is the motor's speed sensor. This small component tells the board how fast the motor is spinning, and if it sends incorrect data, the treadmill stops and shows E5. One customer told us, "We cleaned the sensor and readjusted it a bit, and the belt started moving perfectly again." As one of our technicians says, when the sensor fails, the board thinks there's an overspeed or fault and shuts everything down as a safety measure. We also inspect the motor and sensor connections. Sometimes the wires loosen or corrode slightly, causing erratic readings. Some customers mentioned that after checking and securing the connectors, the error disappeared, and the belt started working normally. Additionally, we pay attention to the control board, because in less common cases, a fault in the relays or electronics can generate E5. At the shop, we've seen customers surprised to find that simply replacing or resetting the board made the treadmill work perfectly again. We also check the power supply, since any fluctuation can affect the motor and sensor signals. Some customers mentioned that after verifying the power and ensuring it was stable, the error disappeared. This aligns with technical bulletins from some brands, which recommend checking the sensor, connections, and board first before replacing expensive components. Finally, we evaluate the motor and its coupling, because if the motor doesn't spin freely, the treadmill may detect a problem and display E5. One customer told us, "The motor was a little stuck, we adjusted it, and the machine worked perfectly again." This shows that sometimes the solution